Alright, moving on. The third one is the oval shape, or you call it fusiform. The oval shape. So from the diagram on my left, just look at the diagram on my left, you will be able to see the kind of structure this fish is coming out with. So the section like a salmon or brass are fast swimmers and usually live in open water. Example is the largemouth brass. There's an error there, which is the brass. It's supposed to be brass, so take note of that. Section like a salmon or brass are fast swimmers and usually live in open water. So the example is the largemouth brass. Then the next one is the compressiform. Yes, the compressiform. As you can see, the last picture here, you can see how compressed the fish is, not as robust or oval as the first one in the picture. So this shape is like that of the angel fish. They look thin, the appearance look thin when viewed from the front. This body shape is well designed for making quick turns and quick burst of speed over short distance. You can see the advantage of having a kind of thin body. So compressiform fish or thin bodied fish commonly live where there are many places to take refuge, such as ponds, lakes, or coral reefs, or they school together in shallow open waters. So let's talk about another way to classify the body types is by their function. Another way to classify the body types of the fish is by their function. This is the second one. We talk about the shape or the function. And in this system, the first one is the rover predators. On the next slide, you'll be able to see an example of a rover predators. But fish that are more or less constantly swimming about searching for their prey, these are called rover predators. So they are predators. A predators always have a prey. Yes, the predators do have a prey, and it's important that if you are called a predator, you must have a prey. So these are fish that are constantly swimming about searching for their prey. And example is the fusiform. The first one we talked about fusiform as the oval body shape, which is the body type of salmon. We have the trout, we have the brass. So they have pointed heads, as you can see in the diagram, the first picture here. They have terminal mouths, they have narrowed caudal peduncles and forked tails. So we are still going to talk about these forked tails, these terminal mouths, these caudal peduncles on the following slides, so that you can understand how this help them in adaptation and how this help them to live well in the water body.